Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Welcome all of you.
Thank you.
Hope all are well.
Yeah.
All are well. Parthu,
Yes.
how are you?
Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. मनीष जी मिला sapling मिला?
Yes, sir.
sapling हम लोगों को मिला है. Thank you.
मिला.
आ गया.
Thank you.
We all received, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Stay well.
Thank you. We all received and we planted it also.
Yes. Thank you. Today, Haldia Development Authority organized Zoom VC conference with all industries. I am Subhendu Adhikari, Chairman Haldia Development Authority, along with my CEO, Mr. P. Harisankar, IS, and AO, Mr. Hirokjyoti Mojumdar, WBCS. You all are sitting here in HDA headquarters. You all know that today is World Environment Day. We Haldia Development Authority extremely worried regarding the situation happened recent past due to the Amphan. More than 60% plantation destroyed. हमारी जो वनांचल था वो पूरा खत्म हो गया हल्दिया में. You all of know that Central Pollution Control Board imposed moratorium in the year 2010, month of February, that Haldia is to see everybody. आपने किसी बोलबेन? Our CEO, Mr. P. Harisankar, IS. Please listen. He said, telling us something. Please.
Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time to be a part of this VC. As sir has already said, quite succinctly, why we have to plant trees and recover the green cover that we have lost during the cyclone. As you're already aware that the green belt initiatives that mean part of the environmental impact assessment. Just kindly request everybody to mute their mics. I'm getting audio feedback. Thank you so much. So, as you already know that 1/3 of that total area has to be covered by trees. So we have lost a lot of these trees in Haldia municipality and Haldia industrial area. So the time is right now to act upon it, because as you know, the trees will take some time to grow and reach that level they are able to absorb the pollutants or help in the settlement of dust. And I thank all the industries who have participated in the VC today. Already, some of the industries have already taken up the activity of planting trees on World Environment Day. I will request or encourage the others to also do the same. And this is for our future and future of Haldia. And I wish everyone all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Is there any suggestion?
Sir.
Is there any suggestion? Any proposal? Any kind of assistance required from state government, local authority?
So with your assistance, sir, we are sure it will be Haldia will become green, sir. That actually I have seen your efforts for last moratorium period. This time also will not allow this moratorium to take place. So we'll put all efforts, sir, to make Haldia green, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Jai
you so
Hind.
much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Jagannath. Mr.
Thank you,
Sarangi.
sir.
Jagannath, sir.
Today is Snan Jatra.
Yes,
Lord
sir.
Jagannath. Special
Jai
thanks to
Jagannath,
Mr.
sir.
Sarangi and Mr. Misra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Both are coming from
Thank you,
Odisha. Odisha. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Really sorry we cannot talk to everybody because due to paucity of time. If you have any suggestions, you can also send it on email to co.hd@gmail.com. So if you have any detailed suggestions or any detailed
Damage report also.
Sir.